Dear students, welcome to careermudra.com. I am Dr. Sushil Agarwal. In this video, today I am going to speak about the deemed medical colleges in Karnataka or private deemed medical universities in Karnataka. There are 12 private deemed medical colleges in Karnataka which offers MBBS and post-graduation courses. Before we start about speaking each of the medical colleges, I would like to give an information on how to take admission in the deemed medical universities of Karnataka. So in order to get enrolled in any of the private deemed medical colleges in Karnataka or deemed medical universities in Karnataka, a student have to mandatorily qualify NEET and he has to appear for the MCC counseling, because the counseling process for both MBBS admission or PG admission for the deemed medical colleges in Karnataka or for the deemed medical colleges across India is taken care by MCC. The registration amount is 5,000 and the security deposit would be 2 lakh rupees. The security deposit, which is 2 lakh rupees, is refunded after the last date of counseling. Not after the first round of counseling, but after the last date of the last round of counseling. Or you can also say after the counseling gets over. Now, I will speak about the deemed medical colleges in Karnataka. There are 12 deemed medical colleges in Karnataka. We will start with the private deemed medical college, which is in Bangalore. There is only one deemed medical college in Bangalore, that is Rajarajeshwari Institute of Medical Sciences and Research Center. The college is situated in Mysore Road. It has got 250 intake for MBBS. The fees structure ranges from 23 lakh rupees per annum for the normal management quota, and the cutoff for MBBS enrollment goes up to, for the student who has secured a NEET score of 270 and above generally. See, the cutoff which I am telling is a hypothetical approximate cutoff which will keep on changing every year. It all depends upon the number of students who are applying into the institution or the number of students who have appeared for the NEET examination. The second deemed medical college, which is in Kolar. Kolar is approximately 70 km to 80 km away from Bangalore, or you can say 100 km away from the Bangalore International Airport. The name of the college is Devaraj Aras Institute of Medical Sciences and Hospital. The name of the hospital which is attached with this college in the same campus is called as R.L. Jalapa Hospital. This hospital is one among the most sought after hospital for the people of that area, because all the departments are very good and the college is also a very old institution. So most of the patients who are residing in that area or the nearby villages come to R.L. Jalapa Hospital for the treatment. The fees structure for MBBS student is approximately 17,60,000 rupees per annum. The fees has to be paid for a tenure of 4.5 years. The hostel fees is approximately 1,15,000 to 1,25,000 per annum. The hostel is situated just 1 kilometer away from the hospital or the college. The college attracts a good cutoff marks, means good cut-off mark students. The students whose NEET score is generally 360 or 370 and above, they prefer this institute because one, it is nearby to Bangalore, two, the fees structure is also reasonable, and three, it is one among the most sought after medical college or the most sought after private deemed medical university in Karnataka. Now we will move to a place which is called as Tumkur. Tumkur is approximately 120 km or 230 km away from Bangalore. While reaching Tumkur, just 20 to 30 km before we reach Tumkur, there is a place called Nelamangala. The reason why I am explaining or giving importance on this is because there is a university called as Siddhartha University. The university has two private deemed medical colleges in that location. One it is in Nelamangala and one is in Tumkur. The Tumkur Medical College, the Siddhartha Institute of Medical Sciences, that has an intake of 250, which got increased from the year 2023 onwards, and the fees is approximately 18 lakh per annum. The fees structure is same in the Siddhartha Academy of Higher Education, which is in Nelamangala, which is just 30 kilometers before we reach Tumkur. That is a new medical college. So generally the students prefer the old medical college and then they keep the option as for the new medical college. The cutoff for this medical college is also ranges from 270 to 300 approximately. So till now we have named 4 private deemed medical university in Karnataka. There is one very good private medical college in Bijapur. It is known as Dr. B.M. Patil Institute of Medical Sciences, and the university which is affiliated is called as BLDE University. The university is a very old university and the medical college is one among the oldest medical institution in India. It is approximately 500 kilometers away from Bangalore. For those students who want to recognize the place, they might have heard about Gol Gumbaj, which is in Bijapur. It is in the same place. The B.M. Patil Institute of Medical Sciences and Research Center, they have a fees structure of 18 lakh rupees approximately per annum for the students of management quota, and the NRI quota, the fees structure is 25 lakh rupees per annum. The counseling is done through MCC only, and the cutoff also varies from 320 and above. Now I will tell you about the private medical college which is in Belgavi. Jawaharlal Nehru Medical College and Hospital. It has got 250 intake for MBBS and one of the most old private medical college in India, also in Karnataka. The fees structure is 18,30,000 rupees per annum and the intake is 250 for MBBS. Last year, that is in 2023, even the student who got 500 and above could not secure the MBBS seat in this institute in the last round of counseling. So any student who are looking forward for this institute and have got a reasonable score and have been allotted in the previous round, so definitely report and take this seat instead of waiting for another round. One more private medical university, it is in Hubli. It is of the same group of KLE Belgaum. That institute, although it is a new institute, but it is a very good institute. The patient The number of patients are very high, the fees structure is also reasonable, and the cutoff also goes apparently quite high, because the people who know about this group, they know that they are pioneers in the medical education, and the quality of education and the patient intake and the facility, the infrastructure of the college is very good. Now I will give you information on the private medical colleges or the private deemed universities which are in Mangalore. There are two colleges of the same group, that is Manipal. One is Manipal Udupi, one is Manipal Mangalore. Both the colleges have 250 intake, both the colleges are old. But the very interesting thing is, Manipal Mangalore is the oldest institution, whereas Manipal Udupi is a new institution but most sought after institution in India. A student who is looking for Manipal generally wants to take admission in Manipal Udupi campus instead of Manipal Mangalore campus. Manipal Mangalore campus is always the second preferred campus. The reason is Manipal Udupi is a different campus altogether only. Whereas in Manipal Mangalore, the hospital has a different branches in different places. The fees structure is 17,60,000 per annum. And the most important thing to note about Manipal is they charge fees for 4 years only. They don't charge fees for 4.5 years. Also, the cutoff for these colleges goes very high. Any student who has secured more than 530 to 540 can get allotment in one of these institutes via MCC. Other than that, there are two more institutes or two more private deemed medical colleges in Mangalore. One is Yenepoya, which is a minority institute. The fees structure is 22 lakh rupees per annum. The intake is 250. It has a minority seat quota, so the students who belong to Muslim community, they can get the enrollment in a very low score because of the quota, and also the college is very good. The other one is NITTE, also called as K.S. Hegde Academy of Medical Education. K.S. Hegde has an intake of 250 and the fees is 17 lakh 60,000 or 17 lakh 68,000 rupees per annum. The students whose NEET score is generally 480 or 470 and above can get enrollment in this institution. One thing to note about this institution is the students for UG or the MBBS student doesn't have the option of AC hostel. The last deemed medical college in Karnataka is JSS Institute of Medical Sciences and Research Center, which is affiliated to JSS University. The intake of JSS University is 250. It is located in the most cleanest city of Asia, that is Mysore. It has got two campuses. One is the hospital and one is the college. In the college, the classes for first year and second year are being conducted, whereas from the third year postings, the students are being taken into the hospital, which is approximately 4 to 5 kilometers away from the university campus. The hostel for the medical college students are there in the university campus only. The fees is 19,50,000 per annum, and the vegetarian hostel, the fees for food and accommodation ranges from 1,50,000 to 1,75,000 per annum. So dear students, this is the list of the 12 private deemed universities in Karnataka. I have already given the information about the enrollment process and the fees structure and the cutoff for these institutes for MBBS admission. For more information, you can kindly get in touch with us. Thank you.